YouTube, what is a happening? Today's going to be another unboxing video. This company's actually kind of sentimental to me. This company used to be in Pennsylvania. They're now based out of Alexandria, Virginia. This is actually the very first company who sent me something to review. Today I'm talking about the Savage Maine Beard Company. The owner of the company is a guy named KC, and we're going to see what he sent me today. I like the packaging already. I know that's just a stamp on there, but that's really, really neat. You can stamp that on anything. No knife needed today. So let's see what we got. I remember that Casey had this eco-friendly packaging, and I like that. I think it's really, really nice. I don't know what's in here. Wrapped in tissue paper as well. Oh, now check that out. So it comes with, this is a, looks like a wooden comb. Check that out. And it comes with a spare bolt system in case you lose it. Now I like that. It's got the nice lion engraved on it. Wow, that's a hell of a nice comb. Thank you, KC. That is sweet. Oh, Savage Maine Beard Co. Stealth Wash, which is an unscented wash, is what that's the name of that. With organic hemp seed oil, paraben and sulfate free, 4 ounces. Okay. All right. Okay. And we have a beard oil wrapped in the eco-friendly paper, which I think is really, really nice. This is Mapogo, M-A-P-O-G-O is how you spell it. The oil and matching balm. Okay. In here. Oh, and also this is what I was actually excited for, because I told I made an Instagram post that he has some stickers, which you guys know that I love my stickers. The weather has ruined all the stickers on my back window, so if any company is wanting some free promotion on my window, please send me your stickers. I'd love to promote you guys and put them all over my car. And a letter. It says, "Thank you so much for your business. Scott, glad to be working with you again. I decided to send you an alpha pack instead of just the mango oil." Okay, so I'm guessing the alpha pack is the comb, oil, balm, and wash. I don't know exactly, but I'll confirm with my review in the next video. Thank you for taking the time to help spread the word. I hope that you love it. Enjoy, KC. And I have a code, which will be Beard Times, and I'll post it in the description below. It's one word, Beard Times, 15% off your purchase. Okay. All right. Give me a second here. Mapogo. Okay, this is very smooth. It's not very spicy. It's definitely on the clean side, because bay rums sometimes can be a little spicy. I like this a lot. Okay, this first impression. Labeling is oil proof and waterproof. Excuse me, and I can already see that. I like that. The nice lion on the logo there. That's pretty sweet. All right. This is good so far. The first impression, yeah, I'm really liking the scent. And I know that this is an unscented wash, because I remember that his name Stealth is for his unscented. And I like that already. It's sealed. So that's good quality packaging right there. Okay. So that is my unboxing of the Savage Maine Beard Co. And he says this is the Alpha set, which I'm imagining is the comb, oil, balm, and a wash. So I will have a review for these here in the future. First impression, I'm digging this already. So I'll have my review up. Click on the next video and you'll see the review. Keep on bearding.